In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the hood support on your Honda Accord. This will be located under the hood. Let's get started. Before removing the hood support, have somebody hold it up or have a hood prop installed so the hood does not fall on you when you remove it. We're going to remove the bottom hood support first. To do this, we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver, get under the lock, and pop it off the ball. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. Install the new hood support, get the bolts started up top. Snug the bolts down. Install the bottom onto the ball. We're going to push straight on. Torque the hood strut bolts to 7 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.